So first we're measuring and marking for the height of the piece of drywall that we're cutting for this little half wall, using the drywall square and the utility knife to just score enough on the front side of the piece to then go around and break it with your knee and finish the cut on the back. So now that the piece is the right height, we're going to line it up on that stud there, and it needs to be centered on that stud. So getting the two measurements from both sides, and coming in from the tapered edges, marking out those two measurements, and using the drywall square again to make the cuts. Again, breaking with the knee and finishing the cut on the back. Checking for fit here. Everything fits well, so we're using the screw gun to secure the pieces. Putting screws about 8 inches apart. Second piece goes in. That's the hole we need to patch there. Marking out for the piece to cut out. Very light strokes with the drywall knife, following the line, and cleaning up as we go. The patch is secured to 2 strips of plywood that extend past the edges of the hole that we cut out. Now we're getting the measurements for the patch, marking it out. Shaving off the edges bit by bit. You want a nice tight fit on this, and securing it. And with the utility knife, just coming in and making a V notch along the seams. Clean it up a bit. We're using mesh tape for this project. And for the patch, you want to make sure that the tape does not overlap, because it would be hard to get a nice smooth look after when you apply the compound, which is what we're doing next. So the first coat is pretty liberally applied. You just want to get it on. When it's dry, come back with a trowel and scrape off any high bits. And I believe I went straight to the 10-inch trowel for the next coat. And on this coat I'm a bit more careful, using even pressure, long strokes, trying to be as smooth as possible. It's always better to have many lighter coats than fewer thicker ones. Going back over any nail or a screw holes that we missed. And again, the third coat, same thing, light coat, smoothly applied. Camera was a little out of focus in these last few clips.